What job does the virtual assistant do? What skills do you need to be a virtual assistant? Today, I will be sharing the top important skills that the virtual assistant may possess. Just keep on watching, mommies! Let's take a closer look at the most important skills needed for virtual assistant duties. Computer literate. VA duties are performed via computer, so demonstrating expert IT skills is a brilliant skill to have. Being proficient in Microsoft programs is an advantage, particularly if they are looking for an assistant to create PowerPoint presentations, documents, reports, and spreadsheets. Email management. VA can be assigned to manage clients' email. You will be the one to receive, send, and reply for business email messages for the client. Calendar management. For a busy client, having a VA that will handle your appointment calendars real-time will surely help you be updated and attend important tasks, meetings, and events. Social media management. This may involve knowing how to use and manage different social media platforms, creating social media content, and engaging to other users. Understanding how to schedule content and cross-promote it is a good skill to have. Internet research. VA can be tasked to do research, gather information, and create a comprehensive report that the client requests to. Data entry. A virtual assistant will gather, consolidate, and update relevant information that the client needs for easy reference. Lastly, communication skills. A good virtual assistant will have exceptional communication skills regardless whether they have experience or not. Knowing how to write well is always going to be a fantastic skill to have. Whether they are looking for someone to assist business with handling phone calls or online customer service, knowing the top qualities and skills of a virtual assistant will surely help them to appoint the right person for their requirements. I have a video tutorial about calendar management and email management. Visit my YouTube channel. I am here to help stay-at-home moms to start their virtual assistant journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to receive notification of my latest videos.